Hello Bladers. Your fuel can make or break your car. However, it doesn't always mean that you should always use pricey fuels. Many people tend to think that the term contaminated gas means nasty chemicals. And while it might be true, oftentimes, it really comes from a basic, harmless source, water. If you don't know how to check if your gas is contaminated, then you're in luck because we have compiled a list for you. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. How to check if your gas is contaminated. Number 1. Idling and starting issues. A car on idle that has surging issues can be caused by contaminated gas. Also, if your car won't turn on, one of the things you need to check is your fuel. If your car is on idle and you notice it sputtering, surging, or even stalling out, then it's possible that your car has contaminated fuel. Number 2. Acceleration problems. If you hear coughing or sputtering sounds, or if it might have jerky movements, then chances are your gas is contaminated with water. Your car might start normally, but you might notice a problem when pressing down on the accelerator. Number 3. Rusty fuel tank. If water has mixed with your gas, they'll usually settle at the bottom. And when you're running low on gas already, it's what your car will use. The continued happening of this occurrence can lead to a rusty fuel tank, so better be on the lookout for that. Number 4. Car is dead. Water might get on the piston top, thereby preventing you from cranking the motors and starting it. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.